Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars Morph Street Short Riding Gloves. Okay, as of the time we're shooting this video, the Morph Street Riding Gloves retail for $99.95. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. That's what I have on right now. These things are really comfortable, okay? They really offer a high level of elasticity. They feel great when you get them on, and they wear super light, like you're starting to approach not even wearing gloves. Over the last couple of seasons, Alpinestars has introduced several new materials that they're using in jackets and suits and gloves, and here we have another one. This is their Morph Tech Weave. If you look at the back of the hand here, that is like seamless. That is one panel from here to, I believe, basically up here. I think this stretch panel that they have blended in there is still one continuous panel regardless. Even if it was just to here, that's one huge panel. They use an over-injected hard knuckle to manage impact protection that is injected right on top of this fabric. That's something that we first saw on their GP Tech glove that Max has been wearing the last couple of seasons. He loves that race glove. It's proven to held up really well in crashes, so this technology itself has proven itself to be very effective. The fabric in between the fingers has an elastic property to it, as well as in between the thumb and the back of the hand. Goat skin palm, expansion panel here done in textile, in between the index finger and the thumb. That really helps keep the glove comfortable when you put your hands in the bars, wrap your fingers around them, right? It just allows that to open and close up as needed instead of pulling. Like when you put a little pressure, you get a glove that fits a little tight, a full leather glove. When you put pressure there, it wants to kind of pull your finger in. That fabric panel really opens that up, increases the level of comfort tremendously, improves the riding experience. Touchscreen compatible fabric is used on the index finger and the thumb. That's going to work with your smartphone or if you have a touchscreen GPS. External seams are used in the fingers for comfort. Entry and exit is managed with Velcro. Super comfortable. That's really, you're probably with a glove like this, and I think it's already quite obvious, you're going to sacrifice a little bit of protection, okay? Because you're removing some of the protectors on the fingers, maybe the overlay that connects the index finger and the palm. But it is abrasion resistance, without a doubt. Goat skin has proven to do well. This new fabric has been tested by Alpinestars to be really abrasion resistant. You got that knuckle protector. The real option here that you're looking for is this gets you so close to not really wearing any gloves in terms of feel, while still maintaining that level of protection. I think this is going to appeal to a lot of street riders. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.